Hi, this is Terry at FireplaceBlowersOnline.com. We're shooting a new video today introducing a new product offering that we have available. This is an OEM blower kit that we make available. This is for the Pacific Energy fireplaces. This is the WODC.BLOW kit. If you've got a Pacific Energy, consult your owner's manual. See if this is the correct kit for your fireplace. Again, it's an OEM model that we purchase and we make available to our customers at a very competitive price, probably the best on the market. So the kit is a dual blower system. Comes with a temperature sensor. It's powder coated. And on the control end of the blower kit, you're gonna see, we're gonna swing around and catch that for you. You've got two settings on here. You've got an auto, which is gonna run the blower kit with the temperature sensor, and a manual, and I'm gonna click that. And if you click the manual, you're gonna use the rheostat knob to turn your blower on and off and adjust the fan speed. So you can use it either in the auto position or the manual position. So again, this is the Pacific Energy WODC.BLOW kit. Again, consult your owner's manual. If this is the correct kit for your fireplace, we have it available at FireplaceBlowersOnline.com. If you have any questions, call us at 262-989-4882 or 4883. Thanks.